Okay, this is a poem that could only happen in Venice. It's called The Gospel According to John. You pick up this working girl who's hooked on smack, who hustles and scores. That's all I do, she says. She says, $10 for head, 15 for half and half. She says, 3 hits a day at 35 per. You say that's 7 tricks a day at least. But she says, sometimes I get lucky. Once this guy gives me $1.5 billion just to eat. Only time I ever came. You figure you can save her. You sell your color TV and keeps her off the streets a whole day. You hawk your typewriter for 1 jolt, then your shotgun, your watch. A week later you say, listen, I'm a little short, but she says, no scratch, no snatch. You say, look, it is better to give, but she says, beat off. One night they spot you on the street in your skivvies, trying to sell your shoes. You tell them who you are, but they nail you. Then she happens by and she says, Christ, you look fucked. She says, hang tough. But you don't say anything. You just think, what a bum rap. Nice, sensitive guy like me. Listen, I'm a little short, but she says, no scratch, no snatch. What a bum rap. Nice, sensitive guy like me.
There are all these dimensions, worlds, alternate realities, and they're all right on top of each other. It forks off into a new possibility. We wanted choices, chances. The movements would allow us to travel to a dimension permanently, stay there. We wanted a new life, and a new world. To us, that was freedom.